Dive into the world of PPC on Facebook. Welcome to Pearl Lemon SEO, your go-to channel for mastering digital marketing. Pearl Lemon SEO, your SEO experts. Please subscribe if you're getting value. We release videos daily. Subscribe for daily SEO insights. PPC, or pay per click, is a model where advertisers pay each time a user clicks on their online ads. PPC pay only when clicked. Setting up PPC on Facebook is straightforward. Start by accessing your Facebook Ads Manager. Step 1. Access Ads Manager Visual Transition, showing the process of creating a new campaign. Choose your campaign objective, define your audience, set your budget, and craft your ad. Step 2. Campaign Creation. Remember, effective targeting and compelling ad copy are crucial for PPC success on Facebook. Tip: target smart, create impact. Leave a comment below if you have any questions. And please give us a like if you got value from this video. Like, comment, and engage. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more insights from Pearl Lemon SEO. Pearl Lemon SEO, your guide in the digital world. Explore more SEO secrets.